I'd like to show you the read-only customer support panel that we built so that you can pass along a component to your customer support agents, people helping other hosts or guests debug issues on a device or an access code. So you can drop this right into your admin panel and have your customer support use it. This is the main view. You can see all the devices within an account. You can filter on device issues or account issues. And if we click in, we can see specific details about this device where things might be going wrong. We can also see warnings on that device. If we click into access codes, we can see all the access codes on the device, as well as any errors or warnings on the access codes. We can filter out access codes by pin, like that. We can also filter by the ones with issues. If I click into an access code, I can see a specific warning message, as well as an error for this access code. So all the information you need to provide customer support to that guest or that host. Okay, so that's the component. How do you use this? So for that, we have a guide. Actually, not this one. It's going to be called Get Started with React and Client Session Tokens. So I'm going to skip through this a little bit, but you basically need to install our React SDK. And then in your server, you need to create a client session. A client session is like a session token that has access to everything on that user's account. So you're just going to give us some SIEM connected account IDs right here and say, hey, I want this customer support agent to be able to connect to these connected accounts. So once you do that, you can pass that right into the SIEM provider React component. So give it the client session, and then you can just drop a device table, and that will allow your customer support agents to see everything there. That device table component includes everything you need. I'm also going to show you in our interactive storybook how you can provide additional props to make it read-only. So if I go to device table in the sidebar here, I scroll all the way down, you can see read-only customer support panel component. If I just hit show code, you can see I have some additional props, disable lock and unlock. Oh, I don't think it's visible. Let's see. Here's what I'll do. There we go. So you can see this additional prop, disable lock and unlock. What that'll do is disable that functionality for your user, so for your customer support user. So right now, the only mutation or the only modification that can be done is lock unlock from this component without that. So that's the only thing you need to disable. In future versions, we may allow them to pull backup access codes or whatever. You'll always be able to disable that behavior to make it a read-only component, but you will want to do that for read-only. So that is it for the read-only customer support panel. I think it could be really useful for providing customer support to hosts.